welcome to my YouTube video. Hey guys, welcome to my birthday vlog. I'm gonna start it off with decorating my birthday cake. So I already baked like 3 cakes. I'm gonna make like a 3-layered cake. So it's a carrot cake. It's got 2 layers of carrot cake at the bottom plus a layer of red velvet. If you don't already know, my name is MUFARO MAZODZE. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. You already know. Please like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It is actually free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm so excited. I'm turning 25, guys. I'm a quarter of a century, like in a few hours. And yeah, it's actually the day before my birthday. And I made cream cheese frosting, of course. Today it came out nice. Look at that. I feel like it's a lot less runny like I get it some of the times. I think it's because I used real butter this time. I had to make that sacrifice. So anyway, let's get going. Hey guys, so I am currently experiencing a lot of challenges with making this cake, and now I'm going to attempt to make a drizzle without white chocolate, a pink drizzle for my cake without white chocolate. It's going to be interesting, but in my mind I think, you know, just making like, you know, that usual milk and icing, sugar icing, and make it very runny, I think that will work. I'm just thinking, I'm not sure if it will work. So yeah, I've got little milk in here. Okay, I can't really show you that here. So I've put the drizzle on. Okay guys, my cake is not level. This is not, I'm not happy with this, but this side the drizzle looks perfect. Here the drizzle fell, so I had to make my drizzle like thicker. And otherwise the rest of the cake drizzle looks okay-ish. This cake is a little bit this way, like it's squiggly, guys. I respect to people who make cakes as a profession. Like, this is hard work. I cannot deal. birthday, guys, and here's the finished product. 25. Okay, the cake is a bit skew, but I tried my best. Now I'm just gonna do my makeup, then we're gonna open this vlog. I'm officially 25, quarter of a century. Hey guys, y'all can arrest me for catfishing, y'all. This is my final look. I'm done with my makeup now. Y'all can arrest me for catfishing. Yeah, I didn't want to go for like a heavy makeup look, but this is how it turned out. It's my 25th birthday. It was supposed to be rain, but it was supposed to rain today, but it is uncomfortably hot. Like, it's humid. Like, I might sweat underneath this makeup. So yeah, we're gonna see how the day ends. We'll be showing you around. Welcome to my birthday vlog. Welcome to my YouTube video. This is my mom.
What are you doing?
She's having a strawberry daiquiri. Nanguma mom uthi webefuna wine. Mara, because it's 4 January and ubab Cyril Ramaphosa uthi masingaseli. Ubhekele uthi masingaseli. Now we are having crushed strawberries and ice. Here we are.
It won't be the same.
On Thesen Island. It won't be the same.
Wine is the best. Red wine.
So this girl sitting over there doesn't take nice pictures of me, but when it was her birthday, I took nice pictures. Like, yeah, cool bird, cool rough. I'm actually like forgetting to vlog, but Thesen Island leisure, no, Thesen Island bar is where I'm at. And look at that view. This is Thesen Island. The lighting here is bad, so I'm just gonna move somewhere where there's great lighting. So yeah, Thesen Island. This is the view.
She's doing some stuff. Wait, this is so this is.
And so where am I at? 25.
Just say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Masha, I need more pictures. You took terrible pictures of me.
You didn't watch it.
You took terrible pictures of me.
You didn't see her clearly. Just say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Not just see.
Nice. Okay.
Nice to see you too.
She's asking me. Oh my gosh.
Masha, you didn't take nice pictures of me though.
I'm sorry, girl. My sister's
This
so
one.
Hi. Okay, now she's also like talking to someone on the phone. Okay. What do you want from me?
Nice pictures and more.
Okay.
Hey, yo,
wait,
son boy.
wait,
I'm not
wait,
the answer to this. I'm not gonna say real quick. McHUDSON on the track, yeah, yeah. 1, 2. Okay, and it.
Okay.
Hi there. What you doing?
So this is the place we live. This is the Turbine Hotel and Spa Island Cafe. This is the place where they have the pool area in my video. There's my mom and my sister. We're on Thesen Island right now.